Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you want to improve your English. And today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful skills: listening. You see, listening is the foundation of learning any language. Babies don't learn to speak by reading grammar books. They listen first. And that's exactly how you can speed up your English learning too. In this video, I'll share with you why listening is so important for English learners, how to actually train your ears to understand English better, practical tips and exercises you can do every day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to improve your listening and start understanding English naturally. Let's start. Let's start with a simple question. Why is listening so powerful? When you listen in English, you're not only hearing words, you're also learning the music of the language, rhythm, stress, and intonation, picking up real pronunciation, the way people actually speak, not just textbook English, training your brain to understand meaning automatically without translating. For example, when a native speaker says, "What you doin'?" they actually mean, "What are you doing?" If you only studied grammar, you might not recognize this. But with listening practice, your brain starts understanding naturally. Listening also helps you speak faster and more fluently. The more you hear English, the easier it is to respond without thinking too much. So if you want to speak English naturally, listening is not optional. It's essential. Now, let's talk about how to listen better. Listening is like exercise. Your ears and brain need regular practice to get stronger. The more you train, the stronger you get. But you need the right method. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. Step 1. Listen every day, even a little. Don't wait for one big study session. Instead, make listening part of your life. Listen to podcasts while cooking. Watch YouTube videos while relaxing. Play English songs when you're walking. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Step 2. Choose the right materials. Don't jump straight into complicated movies or news. Start with things you enjoy and understand. For beginners, short stories, slow podcasts, kids shows. For intermediate, YouTube videos, simple movies with subtitles. For advanced, TED Talks, news, interviews. When you enjoy the content, your brain stays active and learns faster. Step 3. Active versus passive listening. There are 2 types of listening you should practice. Passive listening. Background listening. For example, English podcasts while cleaning your room. You don't need to understand everything. The goal is to get used to the sound of English. Active listening. Focused practice. Here you listen carefully to every word. Play a short clip. Repeat it. Write down what you hear. Check with subtitles or transcript. This trains your ears and helps you notice details you usually miss. Step 4. Shadowing technique. One of the best ways to improve listening and speaking is shadowing. Here's how. Play a short sentence. Immediately repeat it, trying to copy the speed, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Shadowing makes your ears sharper and improves your pronunciation at the same time. Step 5. Focus on phrases, not words. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words together. For example, instead of I am going to eat, you'll hear I'm gonna eat. Instead of did you, you'll hear did ya. So train your ear to recognize phrases, not just individual words. This makes listening much easier. You know that feeling when you listen to a song and suddenly you realize you've already remembered the words, the rhythm, and even the expressions without trying. That's exactly why listening is so powerful. It trains your brain naturally, without memorizing or studying. And that's also why I created this channel. To help you improve your English in a fun, easy way, by listening, enjoying, and practicing naturally, just like we do with music. To help you more, here are some extra tips you can start using today. Use subtitles smartly. First, watch with English subtitles. Then re-watch without them. This helps your brain connect sounds and meaning. Repeat short clips. Don't just watch a movie once. Replay 10 to 20 seconds until you understand the sounds. Listen for the main idea. Don't try to catch every word. Focus on what the speaker is talking about. The general message. Listen to different accents. English is not only American or British. Try Australian, Canadian, or even non-native accents. This makes you more flexible. Be patient. At first you may feel lost. That's normal. Every time you listen, your brain is learning, even if you don't notice it immediately. So, my friends, listening is not just about hearing English. It's about training your brain to think in English. If you practice every day, choose content you enjoy, and use active methods like shadowing, you will see huge improvements in your understanding and your speaking. Now it's your turn. Start today. Pick one podcast, one video, or even this channel, and make listening part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who also wants to improve their English. And remember, the more you listen, the faster you learn. So keep listening, keep practicing, and soon, English will feel natural to you. See you in the next video. Bye.